Hey everyone, if you're completely new to Bolt AI and want to learn how it works, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through Bolt AI for beginners and show you how to get started in 2026. First, visit the Bolt AI website and create an account. You can sign up using your email address or another available login option. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the main dashboard. Bolt AI is an AI-powered development platform that helps you create websites, web apps, landing pages, dashboards, and software projects using simple text prompts instead of writing everything manually. To get started, click Create New Project. You'll see a prompt box where you can describe what you want to build. For example, you could ask for a portfolio website, a task management app, an online store, or a business landing page. When writing prompts, be as specific as possible. Include details about the design, features, pages, colors, and functionality you want. Better prompts usually lead to better results. After entering your prompt, click Generate and allow Bolt AI to build the project. Depending on the complexity of your request, this may take a few moments. And that's how to use Bolt AI for beginners in 2026. With a little practice, you'll be able to create websites, applications, and digital projects much faster using AI-powered development tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.